Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on a negative note and traded with weakness throughout the day. Ultimately posted a negative daily close. Overall, Nifty has completed a 5-wave structure in its recent up move. It retraced 78.6% of the previous fall, that is 5450. And from there, Nifty seems to have started next move on the downside. Larger picture shows that Nifty on the daily chart has formed a large distribution pattern, that is a triangle which is a distribution one. And recently Nifty faced resistance near upper end of the triangular pattern, and from there it can start falling down once again. Daily momentum indicator which was showing negative divergence has triggered a bearish crossover today. So unless Nifty crosses 5450 mark, we expect Nifty to fall towards 20 DMA and 38.2% retracement of the recent up move. The level is around 5290, which is our short-term target. Hourly chart shows detailed structure. Nifty today was trading in a triangular manner. It faced resistance near 40 hourly exponential moving average. Hourly momentum indicator is in sell mode. So we expect Nifty to trade with bearish bias going forward, and on the upside 5400, 5410 will act as a crucial resistance zone. Moving on to Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, the triangular pattern has turned out to be a distribution one. Bank Nifty has broken lower end of the triangular pattern. Also, it has cracked through crucial daily moving averages, that is 20 DMA and 40 DEMA. Daily momentum indicator has also given a fresh sell signal. So we expect Bank Nifty to fall towards the larger rising trend line. Crucial supports are 10,225 and 10,055. The crucial resistances are 10,593 and 10,734. We'll now have a look at certain stocks which are looking bearish from short-term perspective. First is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel, after falling from a bearish flag, retested the flag pattern. It faced resistance near 20 DMA and 40 DEMA, and from there it has started next leg on the downside. Daily momentum indicator has also given a sell signal. So this is a good stock where there is opportunity to short from a short-term perspective. Jindal Steel has a crucial supports at 388 and 370, and crucial resistances are 109. Crucial resistances are 409 and 417. Next stock is Sterlite. Sterlite is forming a triangular pattern. It recently faced resistance near upper end of the pattern, and from here it is expected to fall towards the lower end where there is daily lower Bollinger Band as well. Daily momentum indicator is showing negative divergence, which is putting pressure on the price. So Sterlite is likely to trade with bearish bias going forward. And key supports are 108 and 101, and key resistances are 115 and 118. Thank you.